Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to set timing duration in shapes in PowerPoint. Adjusting the animation speed of shapes in PowerPoint is a great way to make your presentation look more polished and professional. You can easily control exactly how fast or slow a shape moves, fades or appears. So in the first method you need to select the shapes that has already animation applied on it. For example, this one, and then click on the animation tab in the top ribbon and look forward to the right side of the ribbon for timing group. And look at the duration box, and if you want to make it slow, increase the time like 4. If you want to speed up, you need to decrease the time like this one. If you are working with several shapes and want to coordinate their speed visually and animation pane in your past control, then go to the animation tab and click on the animation pane. Our sidebar will open on the right side. So select the shape, or you can click on its corresponding animation bar in the pane and click the small drop down arrow next to the animation name in the pane like this one, and click on the timing. In the pop-up window, adjust the duration field. You can choose the preset speeds like 2 seconds and click apply. Similarly, go to the second shapes, click on this arrow, go to the timing and change it to the duration to the 0.5, which is the very fast. Click on that. Moreover, in the animation pane, you can also hover your mouse over the right edge of the colored timeline for your shape's animation. Your cursor will turn into a double-headed arrow, allowing you to click and drag to manually lengthen or shorten it, like this one. And now play all. So this way you can easily change the animation speed to shapes in PowerPoint. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.